How to build a sales funnel with Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a sales funnel with your favorite website creator, which is Wix. It is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com. When you head over that website or that specific platform, you need to create an account within Wix. It is very easy and very simple. It will not take a lot of time from you, just some few steps, only under 1, 2, or 3 minutes, you will be getting a account. After you have created an account, you need to create a website. How we can do that? The first thing that you need to see right there, if you have already created an account, you can go ahead and see the steps to create a website. And if you are not new to Wix and you have an account, simply you need to create a new site like that. Click on the blue button. Now we have the choice to either use Wix Studio or Wix Editor. In my case, I'm going to use Wix Editor. You can get the help of the AI to customize your website, which is here really responsive, and it will guide you right to the goal that you have set, which is creating a sales funnel. And also you can set up without the chat. In my case, I will not go with the chat, so I will go ahead and select only online store. So click on online store. Now we are going to click on continue. Right here, it will be preparing the dashboard. And after that, you're going to create your website by choosing the theme and also the template itself. So the first thing that you need to do right here is to set up your store like that and put up a name for it. Let's say that we are going to set, let's say right here, diet forever, like that. Click on continue. Now we have the online presence. I'm already selling online. Do you want to move to an existing store on Wix? Not sure yet here. So here you are going to sell physical products, some digital products, of course. You can go ahead and set some print on demand and you can provide some services. Click on continue after you have selected the services that you are going to provide, of course. And now we have the sales channels. You are going to create an online store. If you have a solution of a mobile app, go ahead and set it. And I'm going to select the marketplaces and social media. So go ahead and click on continue. Now we are going to access our dashboard again. Here we have set up the name and also a lot of things. So all we need to do right there is to click on design site. Here we are going to see either with the AI help, or you can go ahead and click on customize a template. It is up to you to choose whatever option will suit you well. In my case, I will go ahead and click on pick a template. Now, we have a lot of templates within this gallery. As you can see, a lot of them are very professional. You can go ahead and select one of them. There are some t-shirt stores or direct stores like that. You can have some, let's say here, electronic store. This is a very efficient for the, let's say, phones, tablets, desktop, microphones, and etc. We have some accessory stores. This is the most simplest one, let's say, and I'm going to browse a little bit until I see something more, let's say, convenient for me. Here I'm going to click on search. I'm going to set diet maybe. Let's see here if we have some diet templates, and of course we have. So let's see here. We're going to set a website which is very good right here. I'm going to set, this is more like a blog, a shop, maybe like this one. I'm going to click on edit. Right here, it will go ahead and open up the Wix website editor, and it will load up all of the elements of that specific template that you have chosen. Once you have uploaded or loaded your website right here, it will show up there the steps or the guide of the elements right here on the left side bar. We don't need them because here when you showcase or you pass the mouse here above them, you will get the notification or the bubble of the name of them. So now we have the sales page. As you can see, this is considered a sales page or a whole website with a let's say home page. Now, the first thing that we need to do right here is to make sure that the Wix stores is added. So how can we do that? Go ahead to the left side menu, click on add apps like that. It will show up the Wix app market, and then we need to search for Wix stores. Type in Wix stores like that, and you are going to see here we have the bag. We are going to click on it and see if it is installed. As you can see, it is mentioned that it is installed. We can go ahead and install it or again, but we don't need that. So usually when you set up the Wix stores, you will see here a menu named shop. How we can access that specific menu, you're going to select the pages in the menu on the left sidebar already. So we have the shop, we click on it and we are going to see the products. The Wix stores or the shop will help you get right the payment methods, the shipping, and also the subscriptions if you have. So right here we have the shop right here and also the products. So let's say that we are going to create a sale or a sale funnel. So we need to create a separate page, and how we can do that, simply are going to click on page and menus. Now I'm going to click on site menu, click on add page, and then we are going to create a blank page. Go ahead and create that specific blank page like that. So we are going to name it, let's say fitness, let's say forever like that. We're going to click on done, and this is the name of that page. We have a blank page. We're going to if you want to add a designed section, you can go ahead and click and select any section that you want. Here we have some designed already. So we have some welcome pages like that. We have some bars like this. I would like to add this type of page. So we are going to set this, modify that. We'll come to our, let's say, favorite product to your, for example, your, not our, to your favorite product. So you can go ahead and make it a little bit bigger. So we can make that like that. So here we have a little description. You can welcome the visitors. And for the background of this column, you can go ahead and manage it. How we can do that, you are going to select that column. Since it is a section composed within two columns, click on change background, and you can go ahead like that and make whatever you want for a background. You can go ahead and set a color, an image, or a video. So for the background right here, I will choose this maybe like that, or maybe this one. And for this one, I'm going to make a color. So that color is going to be something like this much greener. So like that. Now let's go ahead and add a section. For this section, I'm going to add a blank section. With this blank section, I'm going to click on add elements. So we can add some, let's say, images, buttons, strips, galleries, and etc. So if you want to click on store, you can go ahead and set a product right here widget. Like that, we have a product widget. So before I add a product widget, I'm going to add maybe, let's say, I'm going to think of something like a strip, maybe, or a list. I'm going to add a list like that. Here we have some repeaters, some blank repeaters, some tables, and etc. Let's go ahead and add maybe this one. Hover repeaters, maybe. This is just a demonstration for the sake of the video. You can add, for example, here, let's say in the place of desserts or desserts, you are going to add something like the program or the benefits of the product. let's say I'm going to set benefits 1, like that. Here we are going to set, for example, benefit 2. And for the third and fourth one, the same thing, benefit 3. And for the fourth one, here you are going to set it as much as you want. For the colors, you can also go ahead and change the background color. You can manage the items. For example, here we have 4 items. You can also duplicate some items, and also you can delete them. So if you want to duplicate, it will add up another item. And if you want to delete it, it is very simple. For the image, you're going to click on it. For example, let's say you can go ahead and click on this one, but the image, you can change that image or edit it. It is up to you. For example, choose ahead right there, an image that will go well with the background. As you can see here, it is a matchy background, also image. This is very cool. And I'm going to add another section for this one, which is, let's go ahead and add an element, not a section. So let's go ahead and add a blank section first. So we are going to set something like that. And for this specific one, I'm going to edit that section. Let's go ahead and edit that section. Choose something, maybe go in with the green part like that. And this one. So I'm going to unify the colors. Click on this one, unify these colors, choose the screen. So everything will go matchy. And also this specific one, you can go ahead and also modify the header. You can go ahead and click on quick edit and change the strip color to something more like that. This is for the, let's say this was for the header. For this specific case right here, header design, for shadows, colors. So I'm going to add a color which will match up this one. So we have unified all the colors like that. This is very simple and very unique. For this one also, for this specific one, I'm going to set the color to the green one. And the last thing is to add the product. So how we can do that, we are going to set, for example, let's go ahead and click on store, and we are going to add a product widget. So go ahead and add a product widget like that. It will load up right here, the product widget. You can drag and drop it, of course, and here we have it. It is right here. It is loading. No product found. Of course, we didn't add any product. I'll let you see how we can add a product. So you can click on manage product right there. You're going to be directed to the dashboard again. Enter the catalog and also the product. You can go ahead and click on a new product. Here you have the choice of a physical product or a digital product. Select one of them and then proceed to fill in the information. The title of the product, some images, basic info like name, description, pricing right there, custom text, options, and etc. When you finish, you are going to click on save. Then you are going to add that specific product. So right here, I think that I don't have a product, or maybe I have one. Let's go ahead and select any of these products. So I'm going to add that. Set visibility, show on online store. Here we are going to see what options that we have. We have a lot of options. So we are going to exit that specific one. You can go ahead and manage the products and add them automatically right there. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.